Hello and welcome, friends. Today we're going to take a look at those beautiful 1-inch Injora mudular wheels and the stomper tires. They're really beautiful. Really nice. Super soft. So you get the package like this. Take a quick look inside. So of course you get your rims and you get a set of screws, and there's even some pins in there for the hex, which is really nice. Injora mostly always provides you with some extra parts. Here we got the swamp stomper tires, 1-inch. I really like that they include a millimeter on it. You got your tires in here and your Injora sticker sheet, which I really appreciate. I love stickers. Getting rare these days that manufacturers give you stickers. They come with foam inserts already, so you can see. They're really sticky and soft. It's crazy. Beautiful. Very satisfying. Can't wait to try them out. Hang on to the video, then we'll see how they perform. This is how they get assembled. It's like you just, squeeze that in between. Of course, you put your bed locking ring between, and then you just lock it with the screws around here. I mean, actually, we could put one together real quick. What I usually do is I put the bed lock ring in first and make sure it sits nice in the foam. It doesn't disturb the foam in any way. Like right here, it doesn't sit in the middle. So once you would shove it together, it would probably jerk around. So what I do is I play around a little bit with it. Make sure it sits kind of nice in there. And then just get your bottom piece in there. Kind of wiggle it in. What I also like to do is pull on the rubber a little bit on the outside. Make sure it sits nice. And then you get your inner piece and then just work it in there. Like that. And I'll push it back out. And make sure you line up your holes like that, as you can see on that top one here. And then get your locking ring, place that on there really nicely, and secure this with a screw. Let's just get one in there for now. I'll wiggle around a little bit. Trying to get one screw set. Now we got. Let's put another one on the opposite side so we don't get it all crooked and stuff. Get it together nice and straight. Let's look for our hole. Kind of tricky doing this while filming. I'm not used to that. Come on, baby. As you can see, it takes a minute to line them up. But once you got it lined up, like now, all you got to do is put in all the rest of the screws and tighten it down nicely. What I also like to do is, as you can see now, the tire doesn't sit all the way flush around. I slightly go like this around the tire to make it sit all equally, like this one. Hell yeah, beautiful tires. Alright guys, hang on. For the rest of the video, I'm going to take this baby outside. I'm going to put them on the FMS Blazer, and let's see how they perform. Thanks for watching.